Hey guys, welcome back to Skill Left Swim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create ramps and modify it. Let's get started. To create ramps, go to Floor Plan, Architecture tab. In Circulation, we have option for ramp. Click on it. By default, we can draw using the sketch in Revit. Okay. So there are again two options. One is run and the other one is boundary and riser. So we can use it drawing the run, or we can use boundary and risers to draw it. First, let's see how to use run option. There is two options for run, that is line and center arc, right? So let's see how to use line. Once the run is activated, go to your desired place where you want to create the ramp. Click on it. Let me say 3000. Give some gap and give finish. If I see it in my elevation view, I can see that the ramp is created with certain slope. Let's see what slope is it and how we can change it. Go to edit type, duplicate it first because there is only one type of ramp. Rename it, let it be ramp 2. Okay. Now in dimensions I can see that the ramp maximum slope is 12. One thing I need to be I need to be careful that it should not exceed 12. It should not exceed 12. Okay, so I can change it accordingly as per my drawings requirement. Now if I want to, just to demonstrate, I want to create a ramp from my level 1 to level 2. Just for demonstration purpose, I'll just take it as 2, apply, okay. See, this is how the slope gets created, ramp gets created with this slope. Okay, like this we can adjust our slope as per to which level we require it to be, right? Next is only creating one flight of my ramp. Let's see how to do that. If for example I have a level at a distance of say 1 meter, let this be my level 3. Okay, this is my level 3. Go to level, architecture, ramp, right? Here instead of top constraint to be level 2, I'll click level 3. I'll select level 3, click on it, and let me just draw it below. Let me say 2 meter ramp, right? I'll give finish. If I see in my elevation, it has not yet reached my level, right? So what I'll do, I'll select it, go to edit type, change the slope. This time I'll give say 4, apply, okay. It has not got yet, so again click on it, change. One thing, you can either calculate it, okay, or you can just take it like this, right? So this is how you create the ramp. If you want a longer ramp, you can just increase the length of it. Now let's see how to create ramp using boundary and riser. Go to architecture tab, ramp, click on boundary. Okay, boundary is represented with green line and the riser is represented by black line. Okay, so let me just first set the boundaries. Click. I need a 3-meter flight ramp. Say like this. I'll use the offset option and I'll change my offset to 1500. That will be the width of my ramp. Next is go to boundary again. This time I'll use the arc option to draw my ramp. This is it. Next, I have to draw the risers. Once the boundaries are set, I'll click on riser, select the line option and draw it. And make sure you're finishing it, also drawing a riser at the end of the flight. Okay, I'll say why. Okay, let me just draw it first and show you. Then I'll show why I have drawn this. Okay. See, it has been created. Okay, if I see it in 3D, this is how the ramp looks. Now, why I said I have to draw a riser here also, let me show you. If I go to architecture, ramp, boundary, if I draw it again, offset, now go to riser, click on line and draw only at the beginning and end of the second flight. First beginning of the first flight and the ending of the second flight, and give finished. Your ramp will be created, but if you see in elevation, it is taking the transverse slope also, right? So this shouldn't happen. Okay, you can identify the difference, right? That this is a straight flight here, but here it is curved. Transversely it is a bit inclined, so this shouldn't happen. That's why we draw a riser line at the end of the first flight and the beginning of the second flight, so that we don't have that curvature like thing or the slope transversely, laterally. Okay, so this was it about ramps. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also we offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. See you in the next video.